As American workers try harder to make ends meet, it looks like fewer have health insurance. A new study shows that we're getting squeezed by insurance premiums rising faster than our wages are. Allison Cossack is in for Jennifer. Good morning.
Good morning, Robin. And listen to this. Because it's so expensive to have insurance, the study found that 1 in 5 workers just go without, something that's definitely picking up steam more recently. Still, workers continue to pay the bill for covering others. Their payroll taxes help support Medicare, which covers the elderly. Income taxes and other federal and state levies pay for covering the poor and the children of low-income working parents. But the government provides little direct assistance to help cover workers themselves. All right, some good news now. If you're planning a summer trip, you could save money on airfares. Carriers are offering big discounts to offset weaker sales. The ATA says revenue from domestic and international passengers plunged 19% last month, so airlines are desperate. So here's how you can cash in on it, though. Southwest is offering a round of deals, including one-way flights. Listen to this, under $40. U.S. Airways is offering sales of $39 one-way flights between Las Vegas and Los Angeles, and $59 fares from Chicago to Florida. Delta is offering $39 one-way flights between Chicago and Minneapolis and between Atlanta and Charlotte, North Carolina. And here's a sign of the times, Robin. JetBlue, it's offering a full refund to any passenger who loses their job before they take their trip. Although if you lose your job, you may feel like you need to take that vacation, right?
Yeah, except the funds will be short. Exactly. Yeah. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have you ever text messaged in anger and then the next morning go, oh, why did I do that? Or maybe you send an email to reply all instead of just reply one. Well, now Apple's iPhone has a bad decision blocker.